I'm going to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Can't be that hard, can it? First of all, I've got to mix it up. Completely mess it up, just like Brexit. I think that's pretty well mixed. Look at that. That's our government in a cube right now. Right then, let's get started. I remember playing with one of these when I was a kid. A few days ago. No, I'm joking. Years ago. Years. I'm 30 years old. Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm liking you. Made a cross. That's progress. Now I've got to get you down there. And you down there. That's it, you beautiful thing. That's what I like to see. Okay, I'll get it now. So I need to move it up. Yeah. Okay, done it. Look at that. Oh, I haven't done it that well. Bottom face. Corner pieces. They don't match. Oh well, start again. I've mixed it up again because I did it wrong. Okay. So I'll put you, no, you're still wrong. I don't get you, I don't get this. I've made a cross which matches the centerpieces, which is what you need. You absolutely need that or you're messed up. I need to solve each, obviously I need to solve each face here. I've been smart, aren't I? So if I solve the bottom face, I am going to solve this whole bottom row here. That's what I should be solving that as well. So if I solve the bottom row, I'm guessing I need to work up. So solve the bottom row by solving this whole face here, and then solve the middle row, and then cross this bridge when we get to it. That's the plan. I've been working on this for 2 hours. Got a corner piece. There you go. That's what I'm supposed to be getting. Turn you round. That's gonna. Oh no, that's gonna mess it up. If I turn that, it's gonna mess it up. That's gonna mess you up. If I turn and do that, that's gonna mess you up. I don't want to mess that up. No. So I'll go over here, where there's a blank spot, and then move that over again, and I'll get it on the right place, which is what I want. I have done it. My God, I have got the bottom row in 2 days. 2 days. 2 days. That's nothing to be proud of. Right, now the middle bit. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Oh. I got it. The second row is solved. Voila. We shall attempt the next line. I don't know where to begin. It's day 4. Who asked you? Alexa? No. I've learnt these things called algorithms, and they're these little like processes that involve certain turns to get a certain result. If only if you can use that in life. Let's perform the first one, which will help me get that cross. Let's see if it works. So that messed me up. Look at that. Right, let's try this again. Right, okay, I've got the cross. Don't ignore that one. No. Damn. Just. I'm gonna start to lash out soon. No. You don't do that. Got it! Yes! I have to do it again. If I can do it again, that'd be great. Maybe we should time ourselves. 7 minutes.